Yeah, hello. So, it's Soul here. Yeah, so I'm shooting this vlog by my old school. You can see it back there. Uh, yeah. So this is where I grew up basically. I had planned to shoot this video in the forest, but I forgot about it. But nature is important to connect with, to revisit sometime and just calm yourself, because birds and bees and insects all are things that we naturally connect to, since we basically came from apes. Two-legged ones. You can check YouTube. Still, it's something very spiritual and sacred, being in nature. So I'm trying to be scientific. I actually have studied at a university, but I'm still believing God. And what's happening right now, it's about to get proven that there are a universal consciousness, which is something really awesome actually. And with that, of course, why not give yourself to that consciousness, the universal one, through you, because it's you basically. You're God, or part of him, or her, or it. So if you give yourself to the universal consciousness through you, to guide you, both in mind and in body, try that for 2 days and see what happens. I feel immense freedom from doing so. So it's something I'm gonna continue doing for the rest of my life, basically. And yeah, that actually feels awesome. You feel more free. Freedom from self is the ultimate freedom, basically. Anyhow, this is Soul saying goodbye.